A question that I would keep asking myself: why would an inactive company be chosen over well established competitors, well known contractors? The federal government's decision to reaward the Abuja Kaduna Highway contract has sparked serious concerns. Agitation, speculations are flying as we speak, raising questions about transparency and due process. Here's a breakdown of what's really happening. Daily Trust Reports, a very popular newspaper that we all know, reports that the status of InfoQuest Nigeria Limited, being the new contractors, is inactive on the Corporate Affairs Commission, which is the CAC website. Now, the Abuja Kaduna Highway project, we all know, has been awarded to the Julius Berger Company before now. It's no news that it has been previously handled by Julius Berger Construction Company, and it was recently revoked due to disagreement over costs and delays. The contract has now been awarded to InfoQuest Nigeria Limited, a little-known company with an inactive status according to the Corporate Affairs Commission. This inactive status means the company is not legally capable of undertaking contracts, as stipulated by the Companies and Allied Matters Act. Julius Berger claims that rising cost of materials and energy along with unpaid bills since November 2023 led to adjustments in their pricing. These justifications reportedly caused friction with the federal government, prompting the contract cancellation. It is just so unbelievable to know that the federal government did not pay Julius Berger since 2023 up until now. The awarding of a significant multi-billion naira project to a company with no active legal standing raises serious eyebrows. InfoQuest Nigeria Limited lacks a notable track record and digital presence, making its capacity to handle such a massive project questionable. Even more troubling is that awarding this contract appears to violate legal provisions, particularly Section 525 of CAMA, which restricts inactive companies from executing contracts. Additional information about the company shows its total share capital is just 100,000 naira. Also, the company in question has never paid annual returns since its establishment, according to information accessed by Daily Trust reports. Now, this is where the Minister of Works comes in. Senator David Umahi announced that InfoQuest Nigeria Limited secured a no objection approval from the Bureau of Public Procurement for a contract worth 252.89 billion naira. However, critics argue that due diligence might not have been conducted thoroughly. Could this decision lead to further scrutiny of Umahi's leadership? Is there like a hidden agenda behind the selection of InfoQuest? Or is it this simply a case of poor judgment? So last week, Senator David Umahi announced that InfoQuest Nigeria Limited was chosen as the contractor for the road project, beating 5 other companies that submitted their bids. So this means that out of 6 companies who submitted their bids, InfoQuest was chosen out of the 6. The competing companies included Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, High-Tech Construction Company Limited, CBC Nigeria Limited, CCECC Nigeria Limited, and CGC Nigeria Limited. Further investigation revealed that InfoQuest Nigeria Limited was registered on June 16, 1997 with the Corporate Affairs Commission, which is the CAC, under registration number RC 315362. However, its status on the CAC website is listed as inactive. My question now is, why would they give such contract to an inactive company? And its registered address on the CAC website is number 39 Falohun Street, Orile, Lagos. Looking at it, this is the particular picture that has been flying on the net as we speak. This cannot be the address of an alleged reputable company, right? The company is associated with 3 directors, and interestingly, InfoQuest Nigeria Limited has no visible digital presence, raising concerns the more about its capacity and credibility to handle a project of this scale. Additionally, there is limited online information about the directors, which adds to the questions surrounding the company's sustainability for the contract. Now, Nigerians are really concerned, especially Indigo, about the future of this vital infrastructure project. The Abuja-Kaduna Highway is a critical route, and any mismanagement could have severe consequences for commuters and economic activities. Citizens are questioning whether this move serves the public interest or benefits a select few. The situation leaves many unanswered questions, like why was an inactive company chosen over well-established competitors? What steps will be taken to ensure accountability? Only time and perhaps further investigations will tell. This is Faith Carlo reporting for Ebony People TV.